Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, here is the good news for all of you that in Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, okay, the vacancies are out. Now here you can see that this notification is basically out on 24th of April, and the last date for payment or filling the online application is 23rd of May up to 23.45 hours. Okay, now from here you can see the detailed advertisement, and here is the basically two, we can say, first of all you have to register, then filling up the application, and all is given here. Okay, so after clicking on here you can start registering. Okay, now let's see the detailed advertisement. This link will be provided to you in the description. So here you can see that it is basically, we can say, a public sector undertaking under the administration control of government of India, Ministry of Railway. So Ministry of Railway का है ये यहाँ पे. Okay, now here you can see the vacancies are basically for junior manager, executive and junior executive. Okay, now important dates we have already seen. So first post is basically junior manager. Okay, and pay scale here you can see 50,000 to 1 lakh and 60,000. Junior manager civil, total number of vacancies 31. Okay, now education qualification for this is basically bachelor degree with minimum 60%, and medical standard is A3 required. Okay, now next is basically junior manager operation and B&D, 77 vacancies, 2 years of MBA, PGDBA, PGDBM, PGDM in marketing required. Okay, now junior manager mechanical, 3 vacancies are there. So degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics, and all these are eligible. Similarly, next is executive, for which the pay scale is 30,000 to 1 lakh and 20,000, and total number of vacancies are 73, and for this diploma is required. Okay, now for electrical executive we can say 42 vacancies are there, diploma is required. Executive signal and telecommunication, 87 vacancies are there. Okay, and next is basically executive operation and B&D. Okay, so here you can see 237, so graduation with the not less than 65% marks. So these are the important vacancies. Okay, now executive mechanical, 3 vacancies, and junior executive, okay, pay scale 25,000 to 68,000, 135 vacancies, and matriculation is required. So these are matriculation based vacancies. Okay, so here you can see important we can say notification points. So candidates appearing or waiting result for the closing date of application, on the closing date of application, are not eligible. So final year students are not eligible. So we can say this is the next basically detail or important point, and this is the age limit for various vacancies. Here you can see, and these are the reservation sorry, criterias. Okay, so next is basically the selection is your based on the basically we can say computer based test. So here you can see the number of basically different type of vacancies are 12, and post we can say CBT is for all, that is computer based test, and computer based aptitude test is only for executive operation and B&D, and document verification all, and interviews only for the post of junior manager, and medical test for all. Okay, now here you can see the computer based test is basically online, will be conducted in 2 or 3 session on single or multiple day of 2 hours duration. The question paper of a CBT will objective multiple type having 120 question. The standard of question for examination will be generally confirmed with the education standards, and the question paper will be in English and Hindi. Negative marking is there, and qualifying marks are there. Okay, now here you can see computer based test if required 2 stages error per this. Okay, so all details are given here. So these are the details here you can see, so you can go through this. Okay, so examination cities are there, and this is also important point, examination fees, so 1,900 and 700 for various vacancies. Okay, for SC/ST I think there is no fees. Okay, so these are the basically important points, we can say general instruction, so you can go through it. Okay, so friends, this is all about, and these are the formats of caste certificate that you required at the time of document verification. So friends, this is all about this vacancy. For these type of vacancies, just stay connected with your PDA. Thank you very much.